Hi guys, Alex Filvet here, and this is my 10th video about my personal project. So it is a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe, and in this video I want to tell you about procedural surface materials. And I did them in Substance 3D Designer. So within Substance Designer I made some variation of concrete. So first version was just clean concrete, then I added some cracks, and third one was with some dirt, just to make it different, because in this case we can import these materials and then we can paint it like in Substance Painter, Painter, only in Unreal with vertex paint. In this case we can add some variation if you want. So yeah, it's really useful tool, especially if you have some big areas. And yeah, I highly recommend you to learn more about this software. That's all. Thank you and have a good one.